Camry. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are working on our VB today. Oh man, I think the last time we touched this car was Subi Fest. I don't know, Jerry took it out for a video for you guys to do some sliding. It's raining in SoCal today and it's a perfect time to do to do some sliding. But I wanted to do something like on the car before we go sliding, which is the wheels. On the last video, on the yellow one giveaway, we did the headlights, and then I've been looking at the car recently. I'm like, dude, I am not happy with the fitment. I think it's the wheels for me personally. Like I said, they're great wheels. It's just not my taste. And we have wheels coming in. I got some 3-piece wheels coming in. They're just taking forever. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take advantage today and get another set. We have 2 sets of GT3s in stock. I'm gonna go grab those and get some new tires. Kenda got some new summer performance tires we're gonna run. It has a nice stretch, similar to the Falcons on our giveaway car. So this gonna be tuning pretty much. And also, our headlight's gonna come off right now. I'm gonna swap to the JD Muscle headlights. And then in the meantime, when I do that, I'm gonna take off the slip and splitter. I'm gonna upgrade to the GTS slip as well as the fog deletes. And then, let me show you guys here, new product coming out. So as you guys know, we do the fog deletes and the middle trim sections. Now we have the color match options. So this transforms the car. This is really sick. So I'm gonna show you guys in another video another time. So let's go grab the wheels, we'll load them up, drop it off, and then we're gonna link back at AFT. So we just loaded up our GT3s. Now I'm surprised no one really ordered these because they look so good. It looks really good on an SVJ or like a supercar, you know? They're meant for like a supercar style. I guess we have one more set in stock, guys, if you're interested. These are only 22 offset and they only fit a VB, so you will require trimming, but if you need trimming, just hit up Tony. Let's go to X Tires and then we'll link back up at AFT.
Hours later.
Say, how's the stretch? Nice. Look at this. That's pretty beefy, huh? Beefy ass sidewall. All right, guys, tires on. Let's go get these back to the shop. It is. It'll close? No. Damn, guys. Yeah, here it is. 245. We'll go back to the shop and then give you more depth look, dude. It's gonna look so good. Oh, shit, sweet. I think this side, I think maybe we can double stack this. All right, guys, the tires are in. Dude, my car is so damn efficient, dude. Baby car seat, and I can fit 4 tires with wheels. As you can see real quick, Jerry, you can show them the fitment. I mean, like the stretch. So it's not that much stretch on a 245/40 because of the sport tires. These remind me of the Federals RRs. But I'm excited, guys. I'm so tired of those other wheels, so damn. All right, guys, we are back at the shop. So we're gonna mount these on today, and also I'm gonna take off the lip and splitter and the fog light bezels. Yeah, so we're literally gonna transform this front end and change this. Oh, by the way, guys, this is black. Oh, Jerry didn't notice. Tony wrapped it yesterday. It looks way better now. And then we're gonna put the sticker on the other side. I'm gonna ask Elite Wraps if they have any STI stickers. By the way, overlays is right here, if you guys don't know. Oh, by the way, we swapped the headlights back for now because we're upgrading to JD Muscle. And then Retrolux is gonna modify the headlight a little bit more and then might sell the headlights. So if you're interested in my color changing rainbow LED headlights, let me know. So yeah, let's go ahead, enjoy the bureau, guys. I'm gonna jack the car up. Should we do on the lift or no? Or on the floor? All right, cut, we're gonna eat first. All right, guys, here it is. Let's go over the specs one more time. Let me go from this side. Here it is, guys. This is a 245/40, 9.5, 22 offset. Compared to the Falcons, here, I just want to do a quick comparison to you because I really wanted this type of stretch, you know, like a slight stretch, because fitment is like perfect. So I think, Jerry, this is fatter, huh? It seems like this sidewall is actually thicker than this. So they're both the same size. So these are the Falcon 651. Yeah, so there's less stretch on this, so it might fill the gap better. I don't know, but I'm excited, guys. Look at this. We're legit twinning. I'm legit copying this build onto our build. That's how much I really love this setup. The overlay team just print us the sticker, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on. So, Jerry, should we take the bumper off first, or? All right, guys, enjoy these B-rolls. Guys, I haven't sat in this car for like 2 months. Oh, you know, sometimes you gotta appreciate the uncomfortableness to really love the car. Like I said, the clutch is so high right now. Oh man, the car smells callous, but I'm excited, guys, for the new set. So anyone interested in these wheels, do let me know. They are available. The wheel's still here. By the time this video is posted, then hit me up. If not, it'll be gone for like 1,200. That's hella cheap. Forged wheels, guys. Dude, we haven't done wheels in so long. We used to do wheels, then when we buy the VB, it was like a wheel every other day for fitment. That was fun.
Like every week go to Aero?
Yeah, every week, new tires. I don't know how much you spent on wheels already. Oh, by the way, we're on extended studs. If you guys don't know, with these extended studs, it's easier to take off wheels and run spacers. Legit brand new, guys. Again, our car's rear wheel drive now. You probably, look at this, even the studs are still here. Legit brand new. So I'll leave right here for the side for now. Peel the sticker off. Oh, dude, I'm gonna go slide after this. I'm excited. Wow.
People, they do that, like a one red.
Oh, should we do it? Like a wrist sticker? That's a good idea, Jen. Let's try it. We're gonna have to ask the team to make us some decals. Oh, damn. You think we'll rub? We'll find out. No, I don't think so, because that's a 265. So this technically fits like a 255. You know, we're about fitment, so if it looks the same, I wouldn't mind. It's supposed to look like the yellow one. The yellow one looks good. By the way, the yellow one is slightly lower than ours. Tony, when he adjusted it, I guess this coilover settled. It needs to be trimmed, so Tony to trim some more. All right, guys. Ooh. Dude, see? Wheels legit makes the car look amazing. You know, I always had this like analogy. It's like, you know, you take a girl out, or you wearing a suit, or she wearing a dress, and they put sandals on, you know? That's just not it, you know? Same with the car, right? You have to have a nice pair of shoes like this. Damn, the black and the concave looks good. I don't know, some people really like this, but I just really prefer that dark color. Especially a car is dark color. Let's do the rears and let's see. Rear tires are pretty good. Oh, let's compare. Let's compare quick. A 265, 35. It's slightly smaller. Yeah, not too much difference, but these tires look way better in my opinion. The sidewall, you can see from the front already, it looks so sexy. So let's go ahead, slap these on. All right, boys, before I torque the wheels, let's lower it. Let's compare both sides. Night and day, guys. Dude, night and day. Wow. I mean, look, the fitment is about one finger, half a finger, about the same. Relatively close. I think we should lower the car a little bit more, huh? But dude, look at ours. Look at that rear fitment right there. Holy moly, that is a lot of camber. Oh yeah, this looks much better. See, the car is so dark, you know, it needs the dark aggressiveness in my opinion. I'm gonna legit copy this build. Just copy that build. And I also think that gloss black definitely makes it much more aggressive. We might swap that out too. But damn, overall, yeah, let's go do the other side. We'll finish up and then we'll work on the front end. We are moving on to the next part of the car. I gotta fix this grill because people keep complaining about the grill popping off because I didn't put the screws in. We're gonna do that. Take the lip off. All right, guys, the lip and splitter is off. Next thing you do is take off the stock bezels. By the way, I painted this black. If you guys don't know, I paint everything black, but you can order everything color match coming, and also as well as gloss black on the website. Take this off. We have no clips, right? So in order to take this off, guys, the flare has to come off. Actually, no, it doesn't, right? Just like that. And there's the bezels. I am gonna list this for sales. Somebody should pick these up. And then let me go ahead and grab you our new fog light delete bezels. These I actually worked with the team to design these because I really like the delete. A lot of race cars nowadays, they don't have fog lights. But I know a lot of people like fog lights. This is more for like the base model guys. And even if you have fog lights, you can still upgrade these and put it over. It covers the fog lights without taking the fog lights off. Ooh. Boom, here you go. Wrong side. Because if you guys get these painted at a body shop, your stock ones, it'll cost you about like $400. So save some money, you can just order these. I'll link in the below. I'm sure the difference, guys. So OEM, obviously with the base model, we don't have the fog lights. So there's the shape of it, but now you have the full gloss clean. Pretty much clean with the sticker, which you want to put. And then we showed you guys the blue ones earlier, so that's the new style coming. Let's go ahead, pop these in, make sure these go back in. Super easy, guys. Literally, this is probably the easiest mods. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, just like that. It creates a more aggressive look, and that's what I'm going for. With the GTS lip, everything today is gonna be way more aggressive. Same thing with this side, and with this bumper over there. All I do is grab from the bottom. If you have no lip, it's super easy. With the lip, it's a little more complicated. You just pull it out. just like that. The new one, go ahead and line up 2 on the bottom. Just like that, guys. We have literally took us 2 minutes to install the bezels. Now my favorite part, which is our new GTS lip. Oh man. Actually, it's kind of weird modding this car because there's literally not much to do. We're just kind of changing small revisions, but it's gonna make some big changes. So if you don't know, all the lifts, like the GTS V2 lifts, are all updated. They are our new hybrid poly material, so you can literally scrape this and it won't break. The paint might come off, but at least it won't break. These are also in stock on the website. But by the way, our Black Friday sale is live, so take advantage. I know a lot of guys, I see this dude order like 20 items. He literally did the whole VB setup. It's crazy. So shout out to my man over there. So I'm excited to see what he do to his VB. So to do the lip, if you guys don't know, you literally connect tabs in the front, 2 bolts in the front, and 2 screws on the back, and then just bolt it back on. So for those who don't know, we have the full color match, right? And everyone's like talking shit about like, it looks too much, you look like a Camry. But now we changed it up, okay? We did the blue on the outside. Our car's not blue, but you guys know what I mean, right? I'll just show you guys another video. It's kind of hard to explain this, but yeah, this is gonna be very popular. I already know this is gonna be very popular, so stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, do the DTS slip, 2 screws here, and the front we're gonna use, by the way, my hardware is missing because the extra lip I brought, I don't know for the hardware, so I'm using, you know, our other hardware. But when you have the lip, you can use whatever's provided. And also, we're gonna be bolting this lip down. Instead of using self-tapping, we're gonna bolt it down because our bumper got a bajillion holes. Let me show you guys real quick. So we use bolts, thick ass bolts, so it ain't going nowhere. And for these other ones, we're gonna bolt it on the bumper as well. So let's go ahead and bring the bumper over. Again, you don't have to do it this way. You can always use the self-tapping method, but we prefer using it this way because why not, since we're here already. I haven't looked at it, guys. I'm waiting. How's it look, Gary? Oh, yeah, here, let me put everything on first. Camera sees it first, but how's it look though? The car looks higher. Damn, okay. It's a sticker, it's missing that sticker. Well, also we gotta put in the self-tappers in the All right, guys, we just put on the front end, the new bezels, and the GTS lip to match the yellow VB. Actually, now I'm looking at it, because with our splitter and our V2 lip, it's actually more aggressive towards, as in like the car being lower. So, I mean, we'll get more clearance overall, and all we gotta do is now is just put the stickers on. To be honest, we need to make a splitter flip. We've been delaying it, so we're actually gonna start very soon. But let's go ahead and finish the stickers. We'll pull these two out, and then let's see how it looks. Is there a right spot or no? Jeez. All right, guys, my eyes are a little Asian. Okay, Jay, can you check the other side? I think it looks good. No, what do you mean? It was it? Put one on the yellow one because it's not an STI, guys. All right, guys, we are done with the wheels today as well as the front end conversion. Of course, this is the brand new 26 STI limited edition, 1 of 2 right now because the yellow one's 1 of 1 and 1 of 2. So as you can see, we did the bezels with the GTS lip. What the heck? Is there something missing? It's missing the eye. Oh, you peeled it off? Well, we'll fix that later. But as you can see, if you look on this side, it's supposed to look like this. It's definitely a lot, I would say more or less aggressive. I don't know, but I think the wheels definitely change up the whole front end. We might do a splitter. I think we might need to do a splitter, right? Yeah, I think we need to do a splitter. But for the meantime, this will be it for now, guys. I just want to match the yellow VB. But yeah, guys, this is, I guess, a quick update. We are going to retune the car, guys. D-Man's going to give us a new map. Like I think we talked about earlier, did we? I'm not sure what we talked about earlier, but we're getting more torque and then more flames. So, because right now with our big turbo kit, it has a lot of delay. We'll get into that in another video, but hope you enjoyed a little update on our VB. It's nice. I'm about to take it out right now, so you're about to see a lot of reels coming the next few days. All right, guys, catch you guys next time. Peace.